Hi teacher, my name is Nicole Gallegos and I'm going to talk about shopping and advertising. Shopping, different ways to shop. Many of us need a few simple reminders of how shop start. So, some ways to shop that can help you to shop smart. The first one is a window shop. Look at things through the store window. Going inside the stores, the seller will find a way for you to buy the product. Second one is a comparison shop. Compare prices in similar stores to buy the product at a lower price and you can save a little money. A third one is browse. Take the time to review the product and not necessarily buy it. The fourth is fair bargain hunt. Look for seasonal sales. Know when it is a good sale and take advantage of it. Remember that not all sales are suitable. Some tips that you can use when buying. Shop with a list. Review what you already have in your closet, cupboards, garage, or home. Then write a list in the gaps. You have all the needs of eating you can fill. Set a budget. Many people overspend of things they don't want need or use because they have no parameters around their spending. They just well helpful leader. Other one is pay with cash because if you pay with card, you don't have idea for the money that you pay. Set a time frame, that is set a specific time frame that you will complete your shopping in. Pick the best time for you. Pick a time to shop when you are going to be at your most alert and positive. And shop alone because other people can you shop things that you don't need. Also, we have to shop when you're tired, hungry, lonely, bored, or upset, and ask where will I wear this. Remember that the salesperson is there to sell to you and don't buy just because it's on sale. After that, I have how to persuade someone to buy a product. There are many potential methods that our business professionals can use to develop successful branding strategies. The first one is endorse a brand. Endorsed branding is a branding strategy in which different product or service brands are positioned individually from a parent company while maintaining an association or endorsement. The brand can be promoted for a famous people. The second one is prove a claim. Support the product with true information, that is, the seller will look for a way for the customer to buy the product based on the experiences of the public, and show the number of the people who have purchased recently, how many people are viewed the product. The third one is promote a business. Use promotion and small discounts that attract customer attention, offering a tribewear or offer a free gift or discount. And other is imply a benefit, solve the life of customer with the product, that is provide benefits in the life of the customer with the product and demonstrate that the product is necessary for your life. And finally is scarcity. Promote limited times offers. A countdown to when the discount or real ends can spur purchases. In the card, show how much the visitor saved with a call to action to check before saving experience. Advertising failures. We have, for example, in the company Ford, a failed advertising for the car manufacturer Ford. The advert for the Fido hatchback promoted the trunk space by fighting three women inside. Ford failed to see the issues which have three women tied up in distress being driven off by Silvio Berlusconi, who can be seen grinning and flashing the peace sign. Ford was forced to issue an apology. The objective of the campaign was promote the space in the trunk of the car of the Fido hatchback model, because the company wanted the client to have the need to have a car with no space in their truck. The idea was very good, since people want their car has no space to organize various things or tools. In addition to being comfortable, it is spacious. The company tried to use the imply a benefit strategy, since it tried to create a need in the client's daily life, in addition to paying with the client's emotion from a stringing advertisement in front of the receiver. The ad was a failure. The public didn't understand how to do it. The idea of putting three women tied up in the trunk for the car was not entirely good. The idea didn't work, since the public needed to see a more realistic example of daily life. For example, if they had organized food purchase or purchase of food items, it would have been of great help, since the families who see it will need to buy the car, which they can all the purchase all the space is appropriated. The use of the same advertising strategies used but with a different way of establishing a link with the buyer would be successful in sales for the brand. In this case, the company could create advertising or commercial with two public options. The first being parents or pet lovers, or also large families, people with jobs that involve the use of car for supplies or merchandise of various products. The advertisement can be a father of the family placing his purchases of the day in the trunk of the car. He realizes that the trunk has a large space or managed to organize everything easily. That is, it benefits the client with the comfort and tranquility of not having included any package thanks of the size of the trunk. Another example can be lover ones that take them for a well-governed trip. It is very easy to take a pet in the trunk of the car. We use the same strategies. These were creating the need to have a large trunk and describing the benefits of having it for an activity. And finally, other types of marketing strategies that could be used for endorsing a brand, using a famous actor people to promote a new model, creating a limited edition car with the features of a layer strong comfort, and using an infographic image showing all the features of the car. So thank you.